Are you interested in learning how to generate money online? In today's video, I'll teach you how to do it if you follow these simple directions. The first step is to play the video. Step 2 is to watch it for at least 10 seconds before cashing out your winnings and paying your charge. So right now, I'd want to take a look at all of these videos that may help you make a lot of money online right here on your phone. Consider this. If you're wondering how much money you can make from viewing videos, you can easily make $25 by watching for an hour. You can make $50 by watching for 2 hours. And if you watch for 3 hours, you can get $100 and you can do it as many times as you like. The best thing is that it's absolutely free, so you won't have to need any money to get started. And yes, it's available globally. To get started, all you need is a smartphone or a computer, and you can actually start earning money right now. So, in this short video, I'll teach you how to make a free account and give you some helpful recommendations. I'll also show you which videos pay the most money, as well as a live example of how to do it in this video, so you can witness me do it step by step. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. First, I'd like to introduce you to this amazing website. Don't worry, I'll share the URL for this website after I explain how crazy this is. The first website is a fresh new website. As you can see, you can get paid every 15 seconds on this website, and there are a variety of videos and channels that you can watch to make money. I'll show you how to view a very simple video like this one after this ad plays in a moment. I'll show you how to watch this 10-second ad and watch the video over and over again to earn money, which is exactly how all of these guys make a lot of money on this website every single day. And this is really essential. You can earn money for free in a variety of ways on this website. First, you can watch adverts and earn money online. Second, you can click on ClickSgrid and get money as well. This is a pretty cool strategy, and at the end of this video, I'll show you something as a bonus, so make sure you keep watching. But today's focus is simply watching videos. As you can see, you can watch videos and be paid for it. So for step 1, I'm gonna teach you how to sign up for free on Swingbooks, and I want you to go ahead and click on this register button right here, which will take you to the registration page. As you can see, you can register either on your phone or on your computer. So for general information, just give your full name, username, password, and password confirmation, and don't forget your email address. There's also a payment account, which is the second part. Now, once you get into your PayPal account, you can receive your money in perfect or in pair by simply entering your payment information, such as your PayPal email address in this box. You can also get paid in other payment methods once you log in to your PayPal account. Once you've completed everything, you must complete the image verification. Input anything you see in this box. Now, I'm just gonna click on this one right here. I agree to the regulations and click on the register button. Now for step 2, once you've logged into your account, you'll see a variety of commercials and videos that you can view to earn money online. So as you can see, there are a lot of various companies on this website right now, which means you have a lot of different options to look at daily adverts, so you can discover numerous companies over here that supply you with fresh new video ads that you can watch to earn. But the number one problem that beginners encounter is that they don't know which company or which video ad they should watch and focus on to make the most money. With that said, for those of you who are still watching, first bonus tip that I'll give you is to concentrate on micro ads. The reason I want you to concentrate on this category is that you can make money online simply by watching 10-second videos. As you can see, after 10 seconds of the video ad playing, they'll switch to a normal video, so all you have to do now is keep watching and wait for the next video ad to appear. Then wait for another 10 seconds. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So now I want to give you another bonus tip. You can actually turn off the volume of your video, as you can see here. Just click on this one to mute the video and then turn off the volume, and by doing so, you can just let the video play in the background so you can do your own thing. You can do your other stuff in another browser, so this is a very powerful method where you can watch multiple videos at the same time. So if you have a computer or phone, you can open numerous browsers on different devices to view more videos to earn more. You'll notice that whenever you watch a video, you're guaranteed to see at least one video ad in front of it, so that will give you a lot of guaranteed income. And once you finish watching the entire ad, when the video starts, you might find about 2, 3, or even 4 video ads from just one video. And once again, I'm gonna give you another bonus tip, which is that you can make a lot of money from just one video. As you can see, every time you click on the small little boxes right here, you have a chance to win up to $5. All you have to do now is choose whatever random box you want to. Like for example, this box right here, which will open up a random website. Now all you have to do is stay on the page for 10 seconds and you won't have to do anything. So if you're lucky enough, you'll be able to earn $5. As you can see, Swing Grid Clone is actually rather simple to play. Simply click anywhere on the image to acquire any boxes you want, and you can win up to $5 in your account balance. Each click will open up a sponsor's webpage, which you must visit for up to 10 seconds, just like what I've shown you right now. So for instance, if you click on this box right here, it'll lead you to a random website, as you can see here. So just wait for 10 seconds and do nothing, and you could be able to win $5. So now you'll notice that clicks will be reset every day, and the midnight server time will be reset every single day after 12 AM. Now all of these boxes are gonna refresh and you can click on them again. So this is another way to get money with Swingbucks at swingbucks.com. And yes, swingbucks.com is the URL of the crazy URL of today's method. So once again, that's how all of these people from various countries make actual money simply by watching videos, and you can do the same by following all the steps that I showed you in this video. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.